Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So just an FYI, we are filming this video from the future because I have bought myself some really amazing Christmas gifts. When did I start buying Christmas gifts for myself? Probably like oh, I can't even remember. November. So nothing crazy, is that right? Yeah, I'd say November. So I'm showing them right now before Christmas, because I'm ready to wear my goodies. Like, that's one thing with me, like I never like to really unbox my stuff or start wearing it, of course, until after I've shown you guys. So that's one reason. So if you're wondering why there's no Christmas tree up in the back, that is why, because it is me from the future. But yes, you guys, so I said all that to say yes, it is my what I got for Christmas for 2022 luxury edition per usual. So you guys, let's go ahead and hop right into the video. But first, a word from our sponsors. So you guys, just want to give a very special shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Ana Luisa. You guys, you know we love a good jewelry collab, and I was super excited to be collaborating with this brand. I'm obsessed with the products and everything they stand for. So you guys, Ana Luisa is a company who cares about the planet. They care about people, so all of their products are going to be responsibly sourced, and they always use recycled materials whenever they can. I love the gorgeous, beautiful, yet simple little pouches the jewelry comes with, you guys. How cute are these? They were kind enough to send me over a couple of really beautiful pieces, you guys. The brand is so feminine and the pieces are so dainty, and I absolutely love how they look on. I will be sure to list out the names of everything they sent me, as well as the discount code down in the description box below, you guys. So let's give another big shout out to the sponsor of today's video. And without further ado, let's hop right in. But first, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, you guys. And also don't forget to hit that little bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And follow me on Instagram at Bree, all one word, all spelled out. I will see you guys in a second.
And now I'm stargazing. You think for the stars, but I've been scarred lately. Taking keys, stealing cars, we just some lost babies. Live too fast, now I'm grown. Excuses in my head, I ain't thinking I'm wrong.
Okay, you guys, so let's do it. Let's hop in. I don't even know what I want to start with. There's a lot of things to choose from here. Oh, and I know you guys are gonna ask. My top is from FN, Fashion Nova, per usual. What do we want to start with? And I've got like stuff scattered, so maybe we'll just start with the biggest thing, so pause. Okay, so you guys, the first thing that I'm gonna show you that I got myself for Christmas, it's already upstairs, so I'm showing the box, but oh my gosh, it's so heavy. I got myself an iMac. And it's the pink one, so y'all know that, of course, I had to get a pink computer, and I'm obsessed with it, and it looks really good in the office. I'm gonna post some pictures so you can see what it looks like, and some videos, but this is the box. So I got the new iMac, you guys, and I love it. So package, so cute, so excited. Hey y'all. So cute. So exciting. Ooh. Okay, so cute. Finished product. It's pink. I mean, it's perfect. I had to have it. This, maybe I can, this was my first official Christmas present to myself. Like I said, I think I got this in November, but it might have been the end of October. But yes, hello. It's pink. I love it. The only thing that I don't love is that the back is red. Like, who at Apple thought that was a good idea? But yes, it's so cute, and it looks amazing in the office. So, first Christmas present. Okay, so next, and let's just preface this by saying I purchased this item along with my other item from this brand prior to all the controversy. So you guys hold your negative comments down below. And yes, so anyways, it is an item from, Balenciaga. And they give you this really interesting dust bag that I guess can double as a backpack. Anyways, so it's a pair of tennis shoes. You guys already know that after I purchased my first pair, and I'll pop a picture right there of Balenciaga tennis shoes, I've kind of been obsessed. I love them. They look really good when you style them a certain way. So I got another pair. So these are the pair that I got. So they're the exact same shoe. It's just the Balenciaga Runner. I always forget what these are called. I think it's just Runner. But this is what they look like. They are so, so pretty. I'm obsessed with this colorway. I believe it was a newer colorway, but this is what they look like. Absolutely stunning. Like I said, I'm obsessed with the colors. So, and I think these are really cute colors for fall too. So that's kind of why I got them. And then I also got them to match another item from this haul that I will show you in a second. But how gorgeous are these, you guys? I love them. And I really like colors. Like, I know you can't tell from the bottom part of my house, but I really do like color. Okay, so next up, like I said, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I purchased this bag to go with my Balenciaga tennis shoes. So it is Bottega Veneta. You guys know we love. Bottega was having like a good moment, like last year. They were having a good moment. So this is what she looks like. So new Bottega Veneta dust bag. It's now this dark green color. And I'll show you what we got. So, ta-da! So we got the Bottega Veneta. This is the mini pouch in this like really pretty foil kind of like metallic-y neon green color. How gorgeous. So I just thought this would look so cute together. Like, how pretty is this combination? I think it's gonna be super cute. Okay, so here is what she looks like all unpacked. I think it's so adorable. So it does have a strap on it, like a really thin strap if you want to wear it like a shoulder bag. And then you can also take that off, so it can be just worn as a pouch, which is probably how I'm gonna wear it most of the time. And then that's the inside. So, and you guys know I'm like obsessed with mini bags for the moment. Okay, cooperate. Yes, I love this little Bottega cutie.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carrot.
Okay, so next up, and honestly this is a long time coming, I haven't purchased anything from this brand in literally years. So it is Celine. You guys, I thought it was time that I hop back on the Celine bandwagon. You guys know that when Celine kind of first got really popular, I think I had two of those trapeze bags at Trapeze, don't come for me. And then also, I think it was called like a trapeze phantom bag. And then there was also like some little small, and I'll put a picture of it right here. And it was like tricolor, and they were really in and trendy. Oh, and I also had those Celine sunglasses. I'll put a picture right here that everybody was obsessed with. But mind you, this was at least like 7 or 8 years ago. So I went ahead and purchased a Celine bag. So you guys, like I said, when I did my practical fall haul, I need to get more practical bags, and this is definitely practical, so I'm gonna show it to you. So yeah, it comes in this really pretty Celine dust bag. So this is the bag that I got. So, and it's a very popular bag, you guys. So this is the Celine Triumph bag, Triumph, I'm not sure how you say it. In this like, I'm not sure what the leather is called. It's like a box leather because it's super shiny and very, very, very soft, as you guys can see. And it's got the gold Triumph logo here. And it does come with a strap, so I'm gonna just put the strap on. And when I say that I'm obsessed with this little bag, I truly am obsessed. And I wear it as a crossbody. and it's so cute, and I'll be sure to give you guys some mod shots because just the obsession is real with this bag. I love the leather. I love the black and gold. I love how shiny it is. It's literally so gorgeous, so beautiful. So this is what the back looks like. Just absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. So yes, you guys, it is the Celine Triumph bag. This is how it looks with the strap on it. I'm obsessed with this leather. It is so shiny and so gorgeous. How beautiful is this, you guys? And gorgeous Triumph logo on the front.
You never could imagine. Never say you could have it. You need me. Ooh, you need me.
Beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna take the sticker off because I haven't even peeled the sticker off yet. That's how you know she's just so brand new, because I think that the hardware is actually a little shinier. And like I said, it's definitely more practical. It's a more wearable bag than like my fur bags or my colorful bags. So this is what she looks like. How stunning, you guys. Obsessed. Okay, so you guys, we're really getting into the nitty gritty of it now. So I made a couple of purchases from Chanel. So the first thing I bought, and you guys, honestly, this was a long time coming, and I should have been done had it. Of course. So they are these ultra trendy, ultra popular. These are the Chanel, oh my gosh, what are these called? Chanel, please don't say runner. I'll put it right here. I'm just losing my vocabulary here apparently. But anyways, they are in the white. These are the ones that like glow in the dark. So I'll put a picture up there so you can see them. But you guys, how gorgeous are these shoes? So this is actually my second pair of these kind of shoes. My first pair, I use them as workout shoes because I'm just not a fan of the colors that I chose. So, but these are just gorgeous. They're super wearable, and I feel like they will go really well with my gorgeous Celine bag. Okay, so next up from Chanel is a little box. So that could only mean one thing. So I got these pair of earrings, you guys, that I've just been obsessing over. I don't know what they're called. If I can find it in the bottom, I'll put it there for you, but this is what they look like. So they're like the CC logo hoop earrings, and I do really love them, but the thing about these is they're very heavy, and one of my, and it's on this side, my ear piercing is actually starting to like split a little bit. The same thing happened to my mom. I think we just have really soft skin. So I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to make these work because they're so heavy, but you guys, they're literally gorgeous. Like, look at this earring. And so you unscrew this part, and then that's where it goes in your ear, but they're so pretty. Will I get to wear them? Who knows? I honestly might have to have that surgery because my mom had it, where they like sew this back together and then you get your ears re-pierced, but she got it done probably like a year ago, and hers is already splitting again, so who knows. So last but not least, and this of course I saved the best for last, I'm so excited about this item. I have wanted this bag for a long time. I know you guys are probably like, what are you talking about? Most of these things were not on your wish list or any wish list ever, but I have been obsessing over this bag probably for at least the past like 3 or 4 months. And so it is, oh my gosh, it looks so good on camera. This beauty, so this is the Chanel Duma backpack, and it's black with the gorgeous gold hardware, you guys. I am obsessed. I'm completely obsessed with this backpack. And of course I'm gonna do some mod shots, but like, how cute is this? I like it because you can actually do it handheld, and the straps do adjust on the back. So you can do it handheld, or you can do it as a backpack, of course, and it is quilted, you guys. And so here is how you can do it handheld, because it's got a little top handle, which I'm obsessed with. So she does have a little mini pocket on the front, which we love. So let's open her up. And so little dust cloth there, and how pretty is this, you guys? It's just absolutely stunning. I am so happy to have this bag in my collection. Again, it's a classic piece. It's classic, but it's still trendy. It's classic in the color and the hardware, of course, and it's Chanel, but it's trendy because it's a little mini backpack. Like, how stunning is this? It's so gorgeous. So once again, you guys, a huge shout out to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video, you guys. Don't forget to check out their website as well as visit the link down below in my description box so you can get money off your purchase. Well, you guys, that brings us to the end of my luxury what I got for Christmas 2022 haul. I hope you enjoyed, you guys, and I hope you got lots of goodies under your Christmas tree as well. But of course, we all know that's not the true reason for the season. So I hope you guys enjoyed celebrating Jesus Christ and of course your family and just being together with your loved ones, you guys. So I hope you had a very Merry Christmas, and I wish you a very happy and plentiful, prosperous, successful, favor-filled, blessing-filled, happy, healthy, love and joy-filled start and continuation of 2023. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, because what would a haul video for me be without a walk-up clip?